Hello? How are you? Huh? How are you this morning? You were talking a minute ago to me, and then I turned the camera on, and then you're all quiet. I don't got nothing to feed you. You know what? I have to put some... I know. I have to put some bread in the car. Or popcorn. How about that? You want some bread or popcorn next time I come? Probably bread, because if I bring popcorn, I'll be... Oh, come on over. But I don't got nothing right today. If I bring popcorn, I'll be eating it. Yeah. But bread, you can have the bread. Okay? Oh, look at you strut up there so pretty. Come on. Come on over here. Have a chat. Are your feet cold? You're standing on one foot. It's a little bit nippy, isn't it? I turned the car off, but I'm about to turn it back on for the heat. A little, but at least the ice is gone on the lake. It's open again till next year. You got anything else to say? Huh? What's the matter? Cat got your tongue? Oh, you're gonna preen yourself. Oh, a car there. Well, you have a good day, okay? You be safe. Find some fish till I bring some popcorn or bread. Okay, tomorrow or the next time. Thank you for letting me take your picture, your video of you. Okay? Bye for now. Bye.